Hello, hello everybody. I'm This is an example of how to build and create a seminar. Of course, seminars is a great tool um, to both learn and to share. It's great for businesses to train and do onboarding as well as just a good learning as well as just a good learning community. Of course, Of course, this is my page right now, and I'm already signed in. But this is an example of how to create a seminar. So, as you can take a look, I'm on my profile right now, and I will just hit one of my two options for creating a seminar. And you know, there it gives you the required option is the course title, which this one I will call be I'll call a beginner's guide to running. And of course, tagline or subtitle is optional. So now that we now that we have this right here, I mean, it gives you some tips on how to create a seminar. These can be broken down into steps or actions, and the first lesson contains a step or a lesson, and we can put things like videos, PowerPoint or slideshows, quizzes, or discussion forums. And we can of course put time estimates and all sorts of things in here. Um, now, of course, let me get started as to creating the seminar. So what we do is we create the first step and the first lesson. So um, the first step um, the first step is why running. That's what I would call that. And this one just will offer the opportunity to learn more about the benefits of running as an activity. So then we save this now. Now we have the opportunity to start adding content. So I am currently working on step one. And in step one, in step one, I start looking at content to add. So my first inclination here is to add a blog post, for example. In this blog post, I will type 10 amazing benefits of running. And I'll just selectively capitalize this. And of course, just to demonstrate how this information is best added, I will go and here's a copy of the article that I have here. But what I'll do is, of course, make sure we have all the necessary information in here that I've already laid out, and we'll get this in the seminar. Of course, when you're creating your own seminar, you can just type it yourself as you're going along. This is just for an example here, to show how a seminar is built. And yeah, what we'll do is okay. Here's what I'll so here's all the things that I'll put in here. Yeah, we'll just add each of these specific items that just display these proven health benefits of running. Get a link into in order to get a link into a seminar, and on the blog posts. And in the blog post, we do have an option to place a link in here as well, which you can certainly do. And that just allows people to click and read the article that you wish to display. So once you are satisfied with the information that you have in the blog post, then you can hit Save Post. And then next, I can certainly add a lesson right here. And in this next lesson, we'll just say that I would prefer to add a video. And, I do have this video, and this Seminars works with a number of video services, including YouTube, TED, Ustream, Vidler, Brightcove, Hulu, and many more. But I do have a beginner's guide to start running, beginner running tips video available right here that I can use as an educational tool for an educational tool for runners. You just copy and paste a link, and then that goes in there. And then of course, next we can certainly add a blog post, and this one could be entitled "How to Start Running Today." Today we have information from, and then we have information from Runner's World, which I have saved in a document that has been pre-planned, of course, which I will certainly transfer over to here. I can certainly add the link, so our guests can our our learners can certainly read into the article that I have synthesized here. And that is linked, and I can certainly save that post. Now, of course, interactive things you could do as a facilitator is, create a quiz. And um, I can certainly tell this quiz running fundamentals. And of course, we can certainly make sure that anybody taking the quiz has proper instructions here. So let me just explain. Answer the following questions to the best of your knowledge. And then if you want to, you can allow skipping, or that's if you check this box. But I will go on, and then you have different options. So the first option that I have is would be a true or false category. Um, and I'll put running can reduce depression. And the answer will be true on this. So hit save and next, and let's add another question. I will ask which of the following is a benefit so which of the following is a benefit of running? And then I can certainly make this one multiple choice. So, it's not a benefit of running. So, would that be better sleep? Or would it be better joint health? Or would it be or would it be a higher would it be a higher bench press max? Or would it be stronger immunity? Obviously, the correct answer we'd be looking for here would be higher bench press max, so we can easily identify a correct answer there. And if you're, since I am satisfied with this question, I will hit save and next. So we'll add another question, and of course another category you can add is the select all that's correct category. And I will ask what is helpful for a beginning runner? And then we'll do a select all that is correct. And what we'll see is running for speed. running for distance, the correct shoe. Or I'm just going to edit this real quick. The correct pair of shoes are in an advanced watch. Okay, so when select all that's correct, of course, what you would do, obviously, you'd select the two correct answers that you'd want selected in this one, and once you're satisfied, you can hit save and next. And if you're satisfied with the quiz as you have it, you can hit that you're finished answering questions, select the results, whether it's excellent, satisfactory, or poor, or just a pass, fail. Either way, however you wish to evaluate the pupils who take the course. And of course, once you are satisfied with everything that you got, you have your first step in the you have your first step in the seminar. And once you are done, once you have all the lesson sets you have, then when you want to add another step, just hit the add step, and of course you enter the title and the summary, and the process repeats itself however many steps that you need to produce your seminar.